Hyderabad Central University is in the limelight. Students are protesting. Revant Reddy's government is being questioned. The controversy surrounding the land allotment to the Telangana Industrial Infrastructure Corporation reached the Supreme Court. And the top court has now put a hold on the deforestation work in the 400 acres of green cover in Kanche Gachibowli area near Hyderabad Central University. The Supreme Court has asked the Telangana High Court registrar to inspect the 400-acre land and report back. A bench of Justices B.R. Gawai and A.G. Masih said, and we quote, "Until further orders, no activity of any sort except the protection of trees already existing shall be undertaken by the state." The Supreme Court order comes a day after the Telangana High Court ordered a pause on the tree felling until Thursday. But what's the dispute all about? Well, the land in question is located in an ecologically sensitive zone, home to over 455 species of flora and fauna, including peacocks, buffalo lakes, and mushroom rocks. Environmentalists, including activists from the Vata Foundation, argue that the area should be declared a national park under the Wildlife Protection Act and granted deemed forest or a national park status. Despite these concerns, the Telangana government had begun clearing the land, with protesters claiming that bulldozers, earth movers, and trees are being removed. University students have also protested, accusing the police of forcibly removing them during demonstrations. The dispute dates back several decades. In 1975, Hyderabad Central University was allotted 2,324 acres of land, which included the 400-acre plot in question. However, the High Court ruled in 2022 that no legal documents could prove the transfer of the land to the university, a decision later upheld by the Supreme Court. This confirmed that the government retains ownership of the land. The Telangana government has clarified that it has not taken land from the university and criticized the opposition, BRS and BJP, for using the issue for political purposes. The state government has warned that stringent action will be taken against those hindering development efforts. While the government thinks that they are not auctioning the university land, the university and the students feel whether it is university land or not. The 400-acre land is home to over 455 species, and it is only suitable to give this green cover the status of deemed forest or national park. What are your thoughts on this entire situation? Do let us know in the comment box below. With camera person Sai Teja, this is Ganesha Malik for The Hans India.